towards our camp. Looks like that should pass just south of Greenville. Either way, if you're in the severe thunderstorm warning calling down, be thinking that would go.
I'm gonna turn this up a bit.
It's not producing one yet, but it could. Bigger picture view, we do have some light rain moving on through Dayton right now, but we've heard the thunder right outside our studio as these storms start to get closer. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for far southern portions of Butler County. That, too, is tagged tornado possible, so we're watching that one closely. And then, of course, Warren County. Nick, let's take a look at that storm real quick here. That's another concerning feature as it looks like a hook kind of getting together south of Springboro here. Nothing immediately jumping out of velocity, but you see what these storms are trying to do. They're starting to rotate, and so over the next few hours, we do have that tornado risk starting to increase. We've been using a new...
But this isn't here in Germantown. This is somewhere else.
To analyze our tornado potential. It is called StormNet. It lets us know where we have the best probabilities.
It's like a little tornado watch in the Dayton area. So yeah.
Eastern portion of our viewing area, including you there in Greene County and Clinton County, and now even parts of Clark and Warren counties. This is where we have the greatest risk of tornadoes over the next few hours.
I don't think we're gonna take shelter anyways, but yeah.
So when I come back, we'll continue tracking these
Until 11 p.m. I thought it was 10 or something.
Okay. Our live storm center 17 weather coverage continues.